Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna give you an in-depth review on an ad network called Propeller Ads. It's a AdSense alternative, and to be honest with you, I actually like it better than AdSense on certain types of websites. If you guys have a viral content website or a news website, something that's getting shared through social media because it's clickbait stuff, viral content, stuff like that, and you're getting low cost per click on AdSense, like I was getting like 4 cents a click, 5 cents a click, sometimes a little higher, sometimes a little lower on my viral website, and I was only making a couple dollars. I switched over to Propeller Ads, and instantly I was making, in the beginning there, I was making $60 a day, $80 a day, every single day. I haven't really touched that website in a while, but I've kept it up, and I still have Propeller Ads on it, and I still make money on it every day. I'm gonna show you guys some payments and all that, what I make, my earnings. Okay, you can see here in the last month, see I make money every single day, $8.80, $5.60, $38, $34, $20, $58, 36, 35, 21, 9, 8, 8, 23, 9, 11, 9, 5, 21. You get the point. And I haven't touched that website. This is just, it's not too many views, 3,000, 3,700 impressions that day, 2,200 impressions that day, 1,300 impressions that day. Which, if you have a viral site, that's nothing. Like, see here, 12,000, that's nothing. I was getting 50,000 impressions a day back at a certain point. I don't know why they don't really let you go back and look at the other months. They only let you see right here. Let me try revenue. Let me see if that has. Um, okay, yeah. Um, Custom. Go back a couple months. Okay, and then change anything. Anyways, you guys get the point. You see here, I really recommend this. I love this Propeller Ads. Like I said, if you're getting low cost per click, if you have a viral site, news website, you usually get low cost per click. Throw this on there, and you'll literally like 10 times your money overnight. You can see this month I've made $382 this month, 81,000 impressions, 10,000 clicks, and my average cost per mile is $4.70. That's really nothing. If you run a viral website and you're doing it right, you can get 81,000 impressions a day. So you can make that every single day. Let me show you some of my payments. You see here, my first month I made 436. My second month I made 560. My third month 192. My my fourth month 411. This month right now, I guess it's $382. So I've made $1,900.83. And this is like when I created the website. I just like built it, like 20 days worth of work. Just put a bunch of crazy articles up and then shared it. And I'm still making money every single day. I'll show you guys how to do that in my later videos. If you guys subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to put a link in this video in the description on how to sign up for Propeller Ads and everything. So if you guys sign up and you have any questions, feel free to post a comment on here and ask me anything. I'll be sure to answer your questions. I'll be teaching you guys a lot of ways I make money online. A lot of people on YouTube I found, I don't know, everything's affiliate links and beating around the bush and want you to sign up and buy this system and product and bullshit. I feel like nobody really shows you how to make money. I make money every single day online. I use Google AdSense, info links, Propeller Ads, Revenue Hits, Mantis, Amazon Kindle. I write ebooks, Amazon Associates. I'll teach you guys how to do all these things in my later videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, like I said, feel free to comment. And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.